Hey, all you silver stackers out there, don't forget, guys, like and subscribe, guys. Hey, we're at 460 subs today. We're wanting to go 500 by the end of the weekend. So please hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned. We're going to talk about something that everybody's going to think I'm nuts. So we're going to pause this and come. Hey, guys. We're going to talk about something tonight on this video that it might really rile some people up. But before we do that, it's Friday, guys. It's Friday. We got our cigar going. We got the 2 beer mug. Cheers to all you guys. We know all you guys love beer. So here's what's going on. So, we've talked about silver as a hedge against inflation and gold as a hedge against inflation. We've talked about silver eagles, beautiful silver eagles. We've talked about the Philharmonics, coins and everything. But what I want to talk about tonight is, should you, right now we're at 101 roughly to 1 on our ratio, gold silver ratio. Should you trade your gold for silver? And personally, I think that I love silver. But some people would say, let me get some out here. Some people would say, hey guys, gold. So let's look at it a little bit differently here. So if it takes 101 of these guys to get an ounce of gold, this is not an ounce, but to get 1 ounce of gold, then basically you've diluted your silver stack. Okay, depending on how much silver you have. And there is a lot of you guys out there that have a lot of silver. But what if I decided that I wanted to trade 1 ounce of gold for 101 ounces of silver? Is that the right thing to do? Well, if you look at it dollar for dollar and as an investment, maybe not, but maybe so. Do you guys play the stock market? Because if you play the stock market, that's what this is. But the difference between this and the stock market is you hold this. But the stock market can crash and it's gone. But you've got this. So, I guess my question for all you stackers out there that think the silver stacker is nuts for even thinking about trading silver or gold for silver, trading gold for silver, guys. But I may have to disagree, but you may have to try to convince me about this, and that's why I want everybody to comment and talk to me. But I absolutely love silver. And I love gold too. But I think I like silver better. But it's all a numbers thing, okay? So gold's 3,200 roughly, over 3,200 an ounce. Or is it 30? Anyway, you have to look at it. And silver's down a little bit today. Gold is down a little bit today. It's 31 something. Anyway. So it's just a numbers game is all it is. All you're doing is trading in a whole lot of this for a little bit of this. But this is more valuable by far in per ounce than this is. A whole lot more, guys. You know, we're looking at what, 36, 37 bucks right now for a Silver Eagle at premium. And probably what are you going to pay? 34, 3,500 for premium on an ounce of gold. So this takes up a whole lot less room right here than this does. But I truly believe, all you stackers out there, it's kind of a personal preference of what you want to stack. Some people take it pretty seriously financially, and I understand that. That's a smart way to look at it. And then some people love just the beauty of these metals, and as we do, as we like the beauty of these silver coins. We love the beauty of the beautiful, beautiful gold, guys. And I just think it's a personal preference. I need your opinion on this and what you think about, hey, should the silver stacker cracker, after trading silver for gold, should I trade some gold for silver? Right now, I'm sure thinking about it pretty heavily because I want to put some more silver back. Since I don't want to spend the cash, which I probably should, I can just do some bartering again. As I've been talking to you guys, these are bartering tools. Trade this for this, or trade this for this. Is it going to cost me in the future? Well, I don't know. It could. Are you going to get spot price for this when you trade it? Probably not, guys. Our coin dealers have to make money. Are you going to get spot price for this? No. They got to make money, guys. So when you go to a dealer, a lot of times they'll work with you on both of these, whether you're trading this for gold, or gold for silver. They're going to work with you because, guys, one day that could be $3,400 an ounce right there. The next day it could be $2,800 an ounce. So those guys are taking their risks, not as much us when we go in to buy or trade, especially trade on silver, especially if they buy silver and gold. Let's say they buy gold, and let's say they buy 5 or 10 ounces of gold and they give you a spot price for it, okay? Which is fantastic. Maybe a little bit over spot on gold. And then the next day they lose $200 an ounce. So it is a gamble for these guys. Their margins are not what you think they are on gold and silver. And, you know, we're going to be talking with Les White in the near future on this kind of stuff and how he feels and his experiences on these kind of coins right here, especially versus the actual currency coins like the Eagle here and the beautiful Philharmonics and the Libertads, of course. So we're going to be having videos with Les on this at Liberty Coin and Gold, and we'll get all the good advice that we need. So that being said, guys, it's Friday. It's Friday. We all love Friday. And the Silver Stacker will be up early in the morning talking to you guys. So leave your comments on this stuff. Leave your comments on the silver. Leave your comments on the gold. I want to know what you guys think. Got to have a sip break is what we call it. And let's talk about this. Let's educate the young people about gold and silver. I don't claim to be a economics expert, guys, like a lot of you are out there with all of the intelligent talk that guys like me with a, beer hunter hat on and doing videos. But we do it for the people. We do it for you. We love you. We want our channel to be successful so we can continue to help get others involved in this. And we're just going to keep going strong, guys. 500 subscribers by the end of the weekend. Need your help, guys. We need real subscribers. I got to have you hit the like button and the subscribe button. We thank you, guys. Thank you, subscribers all over the world. We appreciate you. We're going to just take our little finger right over here. Silver Stacker, Cracker, United States, America, Oklahoma.